Hey guys, what's up? Tactics here, and today going to be showing you how to make this. Really, not the bumblebee render. I mean, you can do it with any render that you want. Personally, I like this one. Looks pretty fucking mad. I'm gonna be showing you how to do the effects on it. And yeah, let's get started. Alright. Oh yeah, but also, if you see that logo now on any work, that's my logo, so yeah. Alright, so first thing, create a new project. 1280 by 720, looks fine. Okay. Make your background, just make it black. Well, doesn't really matter. Really, just whatever you think would go with your render. Pick a render. If you want to use the same one as me, just PM me, I'll send it to you. Or just search for Bumblebee renders. It's pretty easy to find. Now, if you come against this problem here where the person's actually made a render but it has a symbol saying they don't, all you do is go Control Shift N, okay, drag the layer underneath the render, and then just go right click and go merge down. Now you can edit it. Because it's a smart object, you couldn't edit it before, but now you can. You push L to use the lasso tool, and delete it. Once you've used that, just click on the box, and now you have your image of Bumblebee or your render, depending on what it is. Right click on the image, go duplicate layer, okay, duplicate layer, okay, and duplicate. No, you only need 3. Alright, so I'm just gonna hide these guys to make it easier. You don't need to hide them, but select your first layer and then go filter, blur, radial blur, and put your, instead of your blur method being spin, put it on zoom and put the amount to 100 and quality best, and then go okay. After this loads, you'll understand what I mean. I'm pretty tired, guys. As I said, I haven't really slept. Alright, so you can see the blur looks pretty cool, and if I add that, you can see him there, he looks pretty tough. And yeah, alright, so now that I have added that, it actually does come to the next part. Click on your second layer, and then go layer, filter, distort, ripple. This adds kind of a fiery effect. It's not much, but as you can see on this one here, if we look at this is the finished product, what it should look like. So it's got that kind of fiery looking thing to it. Looks pretty sick, I reckon. But yeah, that's just, little things like that can help out a lot. So alright, so you've added your ripple, and you put it up, you've made it how you like it. Now the next thing we do is we go filter, blur, lens blur, and once you've done that, go OK. Alright, so you've got your lens blur, you've done everything else, and you want to click on the last layer, click on the button to make it show, and then you come up to where it says image. Now for me it says show all menus. It may say that for you, maybe not, but if it does, just go show all message, and if it doesn't, it'll just have these here. Just go apply image. Make sure your blending mode is on normal, not multiply or anything else. Just make it normal, and then everything else is right, and go OK. Now you want to come over to where it says layer 1, and the copy of it, double click to the right of the layer, come up where it says blending mode or general blending, and change that to overlay, and there you have it. That was actually a really simple tutorial. You have a pretty awesome background, and what I'm going to do, because it didn't really come out that well, I'm going to add a bit more ripple. You know, just play around with these options because they can really help. See, there, I probably added a bit too much. If you add too much, oh, it's alright. If you add too much, you'll actually start going into the picture, so that's only because I'm using the overlay option. But yeah, try not to use a lot of ripple because it just looks shit if you use a lot. And yeah, but anyway, guys, hope the tutorial helps. Please post a comment or anything if you think that in some way I fucked this tutorial up, or if you have an idea for another tutorial that I can make. But yeah, and I hope your background looks as good as that does, because I reckon it looks fucking mad. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe.